recording. Okay, so first of all, make a character. First open the link, this one, then make any character which can bounce. So I think ball is the best character which can bounce over here. First, we'll make how to make it bounce. Okay, so we will go to move 15 steps. Just a little bit zoom so you can see properly. It's 15, and here I will say point in 45 degrees because I want to make him go like this. 45 is here, okay, like this. And I will say here if on edge bounce. Okay, now let's check this in the forever loop. So all of you know we use forever to make our program run forever. Then the second thing is we will make here the flag. Now let's check. So the game is almost done. Now we have to make the background. So search for the background. Any background you like, you can make. For example, I will make this one neon tunnel. Make it. And I want to place it here always when the game starts. So I will take the position. What is the position? X minus 1, Y 2. Or you can go in the motions. I will put here always in the start, go to this position. Okay. So when the program will start, you go here. Okay, now and another character on which we can make the pedal, like pedal character, which we can make the ball bounce. So we'll go search for the pedal here, the green, or you can just write here pedal and make the pedal here. Now I need pedal also here, like here when the program starts. So simple. Go to this position when the program starts and move this flag. It's very important for the program to run. Then one more thing we will use here, the sensing mouse X, okay? And in the motions, I will take here set X to mouse X. So wherever my mouse will move, the pedal will move on the X. If I make it move in the any direction, it will go up down also. But now it's only go in X. This is X and this is Y. See, written also here. X and Y. Okay, now let's check this. Place it in forever loop. This one and this one here. So when the program will start, our pedal will be in this position. Okay, now let's check. Okay, so it's going here. Till now we didn't make the bounce. Now let's make it go again in the ball. And here we will go take the program again forever loop. One more thing you will take if else, if then sorry. If the ball touches the pedal, which is here, if touching the we will put here pedal. So this is in the sensing, and forever you know it's in the control. If is also in the control. Okay, then what happened? We will make here the score in the variables. Make the score. Okay, change the score to 1. Whenever it touches the pedal, the score will be 1 here. Okay, and control. So in events and then flag here. Just wait, Humera, let me finish and I will send. I will ask all the questions. If you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, just wait. So now, okay, let's place it here. And if touching the pedal, change score by 1, and it should go to the turn 180 degrees. So turn and move 15 steps. Let's check now if we make it correctly or not. So why I use turn 80 degrees? Because it will go back to this direction or any direction. Okay, it's up to you. You can make it. Now let's check if it's correct or not. So it will go on the 180 degrees if you make it like this. Now this is how you will make the paddle game. Now see the scores are 7. And if you start the program again, the scores will be 7. So we made one mistake. We have to change the score in the start to 0. So I will put it here, set my score to 0 when the program will start. Or I can just simply put it here inside this. So it will set the score to 0 and then it will start. Okay. Okay, now you have to use these two things. You can also make one more thing. You can make a line here, and then you can show the message here. Whenever the ball touches the line, it will show that the game is ended. Okay, you can also do that. It's up to you. So this is the code for the pedal, and this is the code for the ball. I hope you understand. If you have any questions, still you can ask me. Just I will open your microphones. Okay.